Hello fam, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be taking everything you need to know about Etherflix. Yes, I will be covering my review, the founder, the referral program, how to withdraw, the login, is it legit a scam, and what and what's not. Sorry, I won't be talking about what's not, only what is. And so let's start right away. Etherflix is a platform that promises to give you payments for your clicks on their platform. Furthermore, you can get 50% cash back of your upgrade fee on upgrade to a new level. In other words, when you upgrade to a new level, you get 50% cash back. Additionally, the promises to give users 75% referral bonus on an upgraded account, and they promise to have a fast cash out and daily withdrawals of all your earnings with no charges on upgrade accounts. And so before you get absorbed with this information, please do also subscribe to this channel, turn on the post notifications so you get notified anytime I publish a new video. Okay, so what is Etherflix review? Etherflix review is having a sign up bonus of 2,500 naira. Yes, once you sign up, you're going to receive a bonus of 1,000 naira sign up bonus. Clicking on videos, you earn 50 naira. Commenting on videos, 30 naira. Daily bonus is 100 naira. And you earn 5 naira for your reaction on videos. You earn 50 naira for sharing daily fixed trend. You earn 1,700 naira as an elite member for inviting your friends, family, or in fact for referring. And now, when you click subscribe to the channel, you're gonna earn 100 naira and 1,200 instant cash airtime with every quiz winner. And you earn 500 naira for being the first to post any of these flex trends. Well, that's the program, the offer, the benefit they offer. So who is the founder of this platform? The founder of this platform is not known. The record is not anywhere on this platform, and so there's no way to trace this guy or apprehend him if anything should go wrong, although we're not hoping for anything to go wrong. Now, what about the referral program of Etherflix? They pay all affiliate partners with the revenue that they generate. They also pay their Flixcoin earners from revenue generated from different companies placing their advert on their website. Also, through Google AdSense, they get more money. Now, the withdrawal is 5% cash bonus on every withdrawal. You have a minimum withdrawal of 3,000 naira, and that's that. So to sign up, you're going to need 2,500 naira to sign up for this platform. You get paid daily by just doing those few tasks we're giving there. And your registration, they are going to ask for only the few basic information that every platform asks for: your username, your email address, phone number, password, and you're going to input your coupon code that you bought from the coupon vendor. And so, is this platform legit or scam? Well, platforms like these that are usually prospective and very fruitful, they only end up lasting 3 to 4 months from my statistical count. And so this platform has been out for some months now, for some 3 months already. So maybe we should be expecting the worst at this moment. I'm not saying the worst will come at this moment, but it should be behind our minds. I'm sorry for the noise in the background because of where I'm situated. So that's that. If you got further information about this platform, perhaps it has crashed or whatever, do what to let me know in the comment section down below. Tell me what you think about this review. It will be highly appreciated to me and to other viewers that are going to see this review video, because it is very prospective. And so this is Etherflix review. Do what to like and subscribe to this channel. I repeat once more, so that you won't miss any updates. Turn on the post notification. See you on our next review video. Until then, stay put.